Taurus in this parking lot. I gotta move slow, then turned on the video. What the fuck you want from me? Use a silly hoe. I'm that type of nigga to get it out the yeah. I'm making a song for myself. I'm like, yeah. I'm like, fuck 'em, niggas suck. Niggas hate on me. I ain't talking, I ain't did nothing. All I need is weed and money and hoes, or else I'm fucked. Bitch, I don't wear an AC. I might cop expensive chucks, nigga, Rickies. He be calling me coulda, but shit get tricky. Bitch, wanna fuck, but bitch, I ain't sticking. Money outside when I got shit around. Hey, fuck, it's 2 months out. I'ma pass that bitch to docs. Man, this little bitch had 5. Man, she blew me out my socks. I done pull up on a bitch, and no knots inside my pocket. And that bitch is mentally ill, and I know she likes the guys. My brakes sideways off the gas. I ain't talking about no weed. Knew that bitch was out of here. She taking bumps off the keys. I'm a sick hoe. I only fuck with weird and sick hoes. If you don't know, I got those 100 pieces of paper, nigga, all dust. She set the nut up on my dick, it's not good. I upped a couple thousand, still it's not enough. I put that shit right back in the trap, and nigga, I'm hustling. Every Glock on my name on it, nigga, no tussling. I be tryna get high, bring hoes, they fucking. I heard them niggas be talking cops, you know I dug them. I got that shit for love, she still been trying to button. The fucking crackers on my back, these niggas got me hot. I ain't talking about y'all, I'm talking about the cops. I ain't got no beef with niggas, got beef with the cops. That Carter spun around twice in this parking lot. I gotta move slow, then turned on the video. What the fuck you want from me? Use a silly hoe. I'm that type of nigga to get it out the yeah. I'm making a song for myself. I'm like, yeah. I been rolling with her. Is you gonna pull up and come and suck off? Make you getting so crazy, I got book eyes. I can never trust her.
Now rocking with the one and only Dream Thug exclusive.